How to hide apps on Samsung device. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and try to pinch into your home screen because usually on most of the Android devices, you usually have to zoom in or zoom out to hide the apps. But in Samsung case, it's a bit different. You just have to pinch out or just keep holding on the home screen. You will get the settings menu at the bottom right corner. And once you get to the settings page, just scroll down and here you have an option to hide apps on home screen and app screen. Tap on it. Now you're just going to have to select an app that you want to hide. So let me just show you guys. So I'm going to try to hide this app Reddit right here. So I'm just going to pinch out, head to settings, and then hide apps on home screen. Now you can just search for the app that you want to hide, select the app, and then tap on done. Now if I go to my home screen, as you can see the Reddit here has now disappeared and it's no longer there. Even if I try to go ahead and search for it on my app screen, there is no option. So the only way to open the app is to go to your hidden apps again and then unhide it to open it up again. And that's how you hide apps on Samsung. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.